皆さんこんにちは、Joy です。Welcome back. This is the 5th video in the Katakana practice series, which means we're wrapping up the foundational lessons. Soon, we'll dive into practicing voiced, semi-voiced, and contracted characters. If you've been following along since the very beginning of the series, congratulations on reaching this milestone. I hope these videos have helped you familiarize yourself with katakana characters and supported your studies. Today, we're covering the letters la through m. Let's get started. First, let's take a moment to review each letter one by one. A katakana character will appear on the screen, giving you time to look at it and think about its sound. After a brief pause, I'll pronounce the letter for you. Here's the first letter. La. Li. Le. Le. Lo. Here's what they look like side by side. From the left, la, li, lu, le, lo. Wa. O. Here's what they look like side by side. From the left, wa, o, Moving on to the guided exercise. First, let's try match the sound to the letter. In this round, you'll hear a katakana sound and need to match it to the correct character. Listen carefully and choose the right one. Lo. Lo. Li. Li. La. La. Le. Le. Let's try the next exercise. Fill in the missing letter. Here, you'll see a word with one missing katakana character. Your task is to figure out which letter completes the word. Match the word to the picture. Get ready for a real challenge. I'll show you some words written in katakana, and your task is to match them to the correct image. But here's the catch. You'll need some Japanese vocabulary knowledge to get it right. And to make these even trickier, some words will include characters from previous videos. So stay sharp, take your best guess, and let's see how many words you can match correctly. That's all for today. Great work. Keep practicing and continue exploring these letters further. I hope you'll join me in the next video because we still have a little bit more to go, just a little bit more to cover before wrapping up this series. Until then, happy learning. Mata ne!